Meaning of Diamond Jubilee.
Diamond Jubilee.
Diamond Jubilee.
Diamond Jubilee.
Diamond Jubilee. Diamond Jubilee is a term used to describe the 60th anniversary of a significant event, such as a monarch's accession to the throne. The term diamond refers to the fact that diamonds are one of the hardest substances on Earth, symbolizing the strength and resilience required to reach such a milestone. The celebration typically involves public events, ceremonies, and special tributes to mark the occasion. It is a rare and noteworthy achievement that serves as a testament to enduring dedication and commitment.